boys, so right, today we're going to be filming my boost bus, aka a Zafira VXR, if you don't know already. The car hasn't been washed in about 3 or 4 weeks. It is absolutely filthy, as you can see. Look at the grime on it, look at the dirt. Obviously we're in February, the roads are salty, absolutely caked in shit. So today we're going to be obviously doing a full video on it. We're going to be cleaning it, we're going to be detailing under the bonnet as well, because that is absolutely caked. I did have a water leak here the other week, so we're getting all the crap off of that as well. As you can see, look at it, absolutely caked. All the products we'll be using today will be Farecla G3professional products. I'm using the whole range today, everything from wheel cleaner to window cleaner. So yeah. So before we get started in today, if you head over to my Instagram page, Petrolhead VXR, also on my page is a 20% promo code on all these products, so you can get a massive 20% off. So yeah, let's go. Right, so we've done that stage, we've snow foamed it, we've cleaned the wheels with wheel cleaner. Now it's time, that's the pre-wash done, and now it's time for wash and wax. Halfway, we've just snow foamed it, we've just rinsed it, we've just washed it with wash and wax. As you can see, all the crap's come off it now. I'm really happy with under the bonnet actually, because that really needed a good going over. Right, we're just drying it off now, and then we can wax it. And
wax on, wax off. Let's
wax
go.
On,
Karate
wax
Kid.
off. Done now. Look at that. Look how good he is. Look. You know what? I actually feel knackered, you know. You knackered, Ant?
I'm alright. I was up
good.
at 2 in the morning, didn't go to bed till 2:30, woke up at 9. I feel
yeah,
alright.
2:30, yeah? Mm-hmm.
Security watch.
Right, next up, we are doing a window cleaner now. That's next, and after we've done the window cleaner, I'm then going to raise it up, I'm going to tyre shine it, do the tyres, then after I've done the tyres, I'm going to wax it. So, we've just finished waxing the whole car. As you can see, she is absolutely gleaming. G3 wax. This is lovely wax, you know, it goes on so nice, comes off. As you can see, all waxed, all clean. Right, we have arrived at the location. Some footage of it. As you can see, she is looking fresh today.
With a blue window, blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue all the streets and all the trees I do. I have a girlfriend and she's so blue. Blue all the people here, the